Hello, this is the activity for English 3, Unit 2, Task 4, Speaking Tests. My name is Alexander Gutierrez, COPS 93 477, growth 350. In Task 2, the reading exercise my letter was addressed to the Anglo-Golan Chanting Company, work producer. Copper mining. How does this company contribute to the plus of our work? The Quebradona project is a copper extraction mine located in the municipality of Carico, Antioquia, where chemical substances such as sulfuric acid, ammonium nitrate, aluminum dust, among others, has been used with hot generator contaminating in water reservoirs that supply the population of the municipality had put people's health at risk and had also affected the fauna and flora of this area. What opinions and demands do you express? Considering that mining in this area will take place for 20 years, the damage to the health of the populations will be serious, and the impact on natural resources and the environment will be negative and incalculable. My request is that you stop using chemical substances in the extraction of copper and take positive actions that benefit the health and well-being of the population of Carico, and that take care of natural resources and protect the environment. Ecological solution to the problem of this company and how it impacts the environment in a positive way. I believe that the definitive solution to this problem is the closure of mining in this area. Will this there will no longer be any more chemical substances contaminating the water and natural resources of this area? Thank you so much. That's all.